All right, Quinn, let's do some word making.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you make hen?
Hen. H. Like hopping, hopper.
Hen.
E. Hen.
Now read it.
Hen.
Very good. Now can you change hen to pen?
Where's P? Pen. No.
Can you read it?
Pen.
Very good. Now can you change pen to pet?
Et. Put this away. No. No. That's there. No. What's it? Plan. Pet.
Good. Read the word.
Pet.
Very good. Can you change pet to pit?
It. Like it for no for Sorry, I'll get this baby every I.
You didn't come see Mama. All right. Change pit. Oh, now to sit.
Like let's see, sizzling sausage. Where's S? Sit. There.
Now read it.
Sit.
Now can you change sit to six? It's only one letter.
Only one letter?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know. Okay.
No, you're gonna need those letters, but then you're gonna need to add one more to make it. Okay. Now read that word. Interesting. Go back and listen to the sounds in that word. You have it down there already.
Six.
Good. Good job rereading to find it. Now can you change six to fix? Fix. All right, and one last one. Can you change fix to fox?
Like octopus. Octopus. Oh! Octopus. That says Mama.
You only needed to change one letter, right? You had fix, and you needed it to say fox. Now read it.
Fox.
that the right sounds? Are you happy with it?
Yeah, fox.
All right, good job.